Today we will learn about break statements in C. Let's say you are having a while loop, and by using that while loop you want to print the number from 1 to 10. So how you write the code? So you might write the code something like this. You'll write hash include stdio.h, then void main. I know that you all know how to write this program. So to print the number from 1 to 100, you will write int I equal to 1. Then your loop should continue up to 100. That is why you should write I is less than equal to 100. Okay. After that, you will write the printf statement inside this loop, which will be something like this, %d. Then I need to give a space over here. Then I'll print the I value. Okay, so this will print the number from 1 to 100. And to continue this loop, you need a increment statement. So I have to increase the value of I by 1. Okay, now it's all done. So if you execute this program, you can see the output will be from 1 to 100. Okay, now the role of break statement came over here. So if you use a break statement, generally break statements are used inside a loop to break the continuity. That means if your loop is running and you want to stop at some moment of time, you can stop it using your break statement. So where exactly you are using this keyword? Let's say in this example, I want to break this continuity at the number 15. Let's say I want to print the number from 1 to 15, and after that I want to break this statement. But this you can notice here the conditions which is mentioned over here, I is less than equal to 100, will help this to statement to execute 100 times. But if I want to break it at some moment of time, so then I should write the break statement over here. So how do I write this break statement so that I can stop it at 15? I will use the help of the if loop over here, if condition over here. So I'll write if I is equal to 16. Why I'm writing 16? Because I want to stop the printing of the numbers after 15. So when I becomes reached to 16, the loop should stop without printing the value of I. So that is why I'm writing it in 16. So after that, I'll write this break keyword over here. So what does this break keyword do? Whenever I becomes 16, the break statement gets encountered and we will come out of this loop. So come out of this loop in the sense that the control will come out of this curly braces. So to show you whether it is coming out or not, I will write a statement over here so that it will help you to understand, yes, actually the control is coming out. So what should I write here? I should write \n break encountered. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you, or I want to make you understand that whenever this break encountered, the control will come at this place, at this line, and the printf statement gets executed and it will print break encountered. Okay, so let me show you the output first, then I'll explain it in a further detail. So if I'll run this program, you can see the output is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15 over here, and after that you can see a break statement is encountered over here. As noted. So let me show you how this the exact execution of this program so that you understand what is the meaning of break. So for that I'll use the help of this pen tool. So you can see here. So as we already know, if these two statements are not present, how the control will execute these two statements 100 times and how this things gets printed. No need to explain this. So what impact has been developed after writing this to statement that I am to show you. So let us understand it. So whenever I is less than equal to 100, we will enter into the body of this while loop, which is represented with these two curly braces. And when I is equal to 1, this condition becomes false, so this will not execute. For I equal to 2, this condition is false, this statement is not execute. But these statements are executed for I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And for those values I from 1 to I say 15, these statements are not satisfied. That is why these things not gets executed. So when I reached to 16, then this condition gets satisfied. So as the condition gets satisfied, the break statements gets executed. So when this break statement gets executed, the control, according to the rule of this break statement, the control will come out of this loop and it will go to here, to go to this line, that's 12th line. So when it come to this line gets executed and the break and countout statement gets printed. But my point, so this is how the output came, and this is how you are going to use the break statement. So not only you can use the break statement inside the while loop, we have three separate loop used in C programming language, that is a while loop, do while loop and for loop. And anywhere you can use this break statement to break the continuity of this loop. So I'm just trying to show you a figure over here so that you can see the things in a more clearer. So you can notice here, so if you see over here, that is while conditions is written over here, and let me show you, this is a while condition, and these are the statements present inside the while loop. You can write break somewhere to come out of this loop. If you are using a do while loop, then you can also write the break statement inside the body to come out of this loop. And if you are using a for statement, or sorry, for loop, then also you can use a break statement to come out of this loop. So I hope you understand what do you mean by break statement. That's all for today. Goodbye.